In this video, we are going to analyze ABOS. So to get straight into it, firstly, we are very overbought. We can see if tomorrow when the market opens, or sorry, today as you're watching this, we can see our fourth deviation on the 6-month chart is at 9.15. So really, if we open up above $15, we are very extended and it would be quite a risky stock to trade long. But if you were looking to trade it long, what would be key targets? And really the only targets we have going further is going to be at $12.70 and $16. Now, on the other hand, if we're looking more at support levels, what is a key focus? And our closest support, apart from the 9.14, is 8.15. Going lower would take us to $7.15 and final levels at $6. And really the gap fill location at around $5, because $5 would be key. I mean, very close to that gap fill at around $4.75, but also the psychological level and statistical mean at $5. So really, if this stock fades all the way back down to $5, it would be kind of one of those stocks we would cover any shorts if we were short, and really then just look for another opportunity elsewhere, because it's going to be hard to trade when it comes into these levels. But as of right now, our sentiment on this stock is we are more bearish just because it is now very overbought. But again, we have given you up and downside levels, so whether you're looking to trade this long or short bias, you are able to do that. And again, we're not looking for just the touch of these levels. What you want to see, for example, if we're going to see a move to the downside, you want to see a break below $9.14, come back to retest it. If you see selling pressure kick in, then you know more than likely we're going to break down to $8.15. And on the other hand, if you start seeing a move to the upside, or you start to see a proper retest, so if we see, when you're watching this video on the day, if we see a retest of this 9.14 and buying pressure comes in, then more than likely we could actually push to this 12.75. But it would be something I would be cautious if you were trading long, and if you are already holding the stock long, if you swung it or anything, because we are very overbought and we would expect the stock to most likely even decline today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these analysis videos.